guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Namahemhem Oguti Umusamselegu introduced his girlfriend to his first wife. Tiwa, a reality TV star and polygamist Musamselegu has not paid lobola for Samkelisiwe Kwela, the woman he claims is his fifth wife. In the last episode, Mselegu introduced Kwela in his first wife, Mato Macele Mselegu. He also assured Mato that he has already paid lobola for Kwela, but towards the end of the episode, it was clear that Mselegu was lying. He had not paid lobola for Kwela. According to Kwela, the two were still dating when she was introduced to Mato. This was revealed in her conversation with her mother, whose name was not disclosed. In that conversation, Kwela begged her mom to tell her father that she was dating Mselegu. Is still dating. The discrepancy between Mselegu and Kwela's version has made a culture expert conclude that the show Uthando Nesithembu is fake. Mselegu is also executive producer of the show. The last time I had this conversation with my mother was over the phone and she was not happy about it, Kwela said during diaries. Did not receive it nicely. She was shocked and she didn't call me for a couple of days. She further told her mother that she had been dating Mselegu for a while. Have you informed my father? It's going to be difficult for me to tell him that I'm dating his schoolmate, who's the same age as him, Kwela said to her mother. Her mother also revealed that Mselegu and Kwela were still boyfriend and girlfriend, noting that lobola negotiation has not taken place. When you told me, I was shocked, but I accepted it. I just want to find out from you if you are ready for this. Are you sure you will be fine? Asked her mother. The show is just fake. A culture expert, Professor Jabulani Shabalala, said that Mselegu is misleading the public. Wrong for Musa to introduce his girlfriend to his first wife, Macele. In our culture, this is unheard of, and it is misleading to the public, said Shabalala. If lobola negotiations had started or finished, then there wouldn't be a problem. It is unfortunate that people will start following this new trend and introduce their girlfriends to their wives. Another culture expert, Nomagugu Ngobese, said, "This is not Zulu culture, but an exploitation of women." But then again, I also blame these women for allowing Musa to do as he pleases. I guess they enjoy the benefits that comes with polygamous marriage. The show is just fake and destroying our culture. Unfortunately, the channel is giving him a platform to do so. Mselegu and the channel were contacted but did not respond to the Sunday World question. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.